It doesn't go
Ah.
with that on there. Does that make sense? Like you turn your neck or hit anything without that, it goes
Yeah.
ruins all the audio. There we go. Relax your hand. Okay.
Dude, that was cool. I could feel it in my wrist,
Yeah, it's.
even though you're pulling my finger.
You almost think that's what I knew I was doing.
How'd you learn how to do?
Luck.
Oh, that's what I was trying to do.
That one's impossible on your own. Trust me, I try to do it all the time. Okay, on your back. Figure that one out.
You have
almost-
only 3 people so far?
We start at 12, yeah. Got
Hey, 10 minutes isn't bad.
40 to go. Lift your head. 10 minutes is pretty
I'd wait
bad.
10 minutes for you.
10 minutes is pretty bad, though, if you want.